Hello everybody. I recently had to have my 2012 BMW X5 towed to the dealer, and I thought I'd create this video in the hopes that maybe this will help some of you avoid that expense of a tow and a repair. So my vehicle has 102,700 miles on it when this problem occurred. We had driven the vehicle 15 miles, and when we turned the engine off, all the dashboard lights lit up like a Christmas tree, and all kinds of fault messages appeared on the information center. Transmission malfunction, Xdrive malfunction, ABS malfunction. Ended up having no crank, wouldn't restart, so I had to have the vehicle towed to the dealer, which is a real pain in the ass because I specifically told AAA bring a dolly. They sent out a flatbed. I don't know about you, but I'm not wild about them dragging a vehicle where the transmission's locked and just dragging the vehicle onto the flatbed. So they had to send out another vehicle with a dolly. On some vehicles you can unlock the transmission at the gear shift selector, and on some BMWs you can actually open the storage compartment that's in the console, and in the bottom of that compartment there'll be a mechanism to unlock the transmission. My X5 doesn't have that feature. I also understand you can crawl under the vehicle and there's a place where you can unlock the transmission, but the tow truck operator didn't know how to do that, and neither did I. They sent out a second truck. I did learn something on the Xdrive. If you raise the rear wheels, the front wheels are not engaged. So if you raise the rear wheels, you can actually roll it on the front wheels. So we're looking into the engine compartment here from the front of the vehicle. We're looking into the passenger side, and I don't know if you can see that white wire back there. Where it looks like it looks white. Actually looks like some insulation that's over braided wire, and it's that grounding bonding wire that had corroded, and that was the cause of my no start, no crank, ABS failure, Xdrive failure, transmission malfunction, and all the other warning lights that were on. This failure is similar yet different from a failure that I had on a Mercedes-Benz, where the copper braid on the starter motor had completely corroded away, creating an open circuit, and therefore the engine would not crank. I'll put a link here to that video in the upper right hand corner if you want to take a look at that problem and solution. But in any event, let me post up the part number here for you for this wire. The wire is not very expensive, but by the time you add on an hour of BMW diagnosis time, towing expense, depending on what kind of roadside assistance coverage you have, it can end up being a pretty pricey bill for just that stupid wire that's right there that you see in the sort of a silicone jacket, silicone insulation jacket. Here's a good view of it right there. I don't know where it connects. I haven't gotten that far into it, but I just thought I'd give you this video. Check and make sure that you've got a good connection there if you're getting a no crank or no start and a lot of faults lit up on your dashboard. So here's a write-up and diagnosis from the dealer. Verified no crank, no start, even with jump pack connected, bypassed front battery ground and vehicle starts. Found negative ground strap from engine to the frame is corroded and green, causing faults and no start. Removed and replaced ground strap, cleared faults, vehicle's fine. So the part number for that ground strap is right there, 12427-565-100. Here's a picture of what that part looks like online. And it looks like the online price is about half of the dealer list price. So the part itself is pretty inexpensive, but the inconvenience, the diagnosis, and the towing really makes this a relatively expensive repair for such a simple item. So thanks for watching. If this video helped you at all, or you found it interesting or informative, how about a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.